Welcome back to the VST channel. May I present to you my super clean and black look. Ready for Christmas, right? So if you are getting rid of Mariah Carey and all the Christmas songs that you hear everywhere right now, and you want to get a super clean black minimalistic look, maybe not so minimalistic but still black, with this very nice wallpaper in just 3 steps, then make sure to watch the full video. But first things first, let's start with the wallpaper, guys. So there is something called the AMOLED backgrounds. It's a very nice application. You might also download it. Just gonna put the link in the description below where you can find it. Search for this. Once you're inside, guys, you have to select this wallpaper. I can also leave the link down below to the Reddit thread, because guys, when you click here inside, you're getting the direct Reddit link. So once you have downloaded this wallpaper, guys, you're more than welcome to apply it. Then that's step number 1. Step number 2 is to download the AccuWeather application. So once you download it, guys, you just need to enter your widgets, search for weather. Then inside the AccuWeather, you're gonna see there are 10 widgets. I'm using the one called 3 days dark. The moment you add the widget, it's very important, guys. I want to reduce the background transparency to 0. I don't want to see the border here. And then also I'm choosing follow me. Now, when I create a widget, pressing the create button here, I'll have to put it somewhere. I don't like it here. So you know this new functionality in One UI 6, I can just do like this, and then eventually it's going to be here. So I place it on the top of my screen. Step number 3 is to get these very nice black icons, like monochrome icons everywhere with the black layout around them. Now, how do I do this? Of course, we need to use good luck. If you don't have good luck, you may watch some of my older videos showing you how to get past the geo restrictions. Once you're inside good luck, make sure to download the theme park. And once you are inside theme park, we need to click here on the icon. Then what we need to do, just press on create new. And here, guys, you can play with whatever you want. Now, if you have custom icon packs, you can select them from here. As you can see, I have plenty. But for this specific preset, I'm using the stock one, but I'm just choosing this shape here. And now, guys, 2 more little steps. The icon color, I go and I choose the absolute darkest one, the black one. And I'm also changing the tray color. But let me show you. The tray color is what you see around those icons. So for the tray color, I also go and choose all black. Then you have to name your theme and save it, and then click here and just press apply. I'm gonna do this together with you on the video so that you know how it goes. I'm now applying this icon pack, so it's actually just texturing all my icon to this monochrome look, and also having this black tray icon. So if you pay attention, you can see I have a black tray. And now, guys, I have the perfect trio. A very nice wallpaper that is very minimalistic, and at the same time also adds some immersion and some depth. I have these very nice widgets from AccuWeather, and of course I have the stock icons that are now rounded everywhere with this black icon color and also black tray. And because I'm just theming all my icons, I don't have any other icon that is actually not monochrome. So if you dig this minimalistic black look for your Christmas, then yeah, you're more welcome to just do what I did. And if you are happy watching videos like this, yeah, why not sub for the channel? And have a very nice Christmas, guys, in 4 weeks, right? Christmas songs everywhere. Thanks so much for watching. VST over and bye.